Hello world, Dino Mega here.
Today I'm excited to introduce you to version 4 of my inventory system. This easy-to-use blueprint system gives you all the tools you need to add inventory and items to your game. Included with this asset, you will find an item system that lets you create and customize items. You can then spawn those items in your world for the player to pick up. It supports usable items for custom functionality, like loot boxes and consumables, as well as spoilable items that decay after a set amount of time. I've also included a flexible storage system for holding and hoarding items beyond the player's inventory, using storage containers placed in the world. There is even a cross-level bank that's unique to each player. You can define special criteria for slots and let players expand their storage directly through the interface. You can filter items by type and even drop items into the world. The crafting system lets players turn items into new creations, either from their inventory or at workstations placed in the world. Workstations can optionally consume fuel and use tools, with fuel powering the process and tools unlocking recipes while improving crafting speed and yield. There is a crafting queue, and you can also manually control the availability of recipes. There is also an equipment system that turns items into wearable gear, which can also provide gameplay functionality. I've included a number of examples to help you get started. It works with both modular and single mesh characters, and supports equipping static meshes, skeletal meshes, even custom blueprints. The hotbar system lets players quickly access their most important items and equipment. You can position hotbars easily from the Designer tab. You can also create extra hotbars and resize them all without having to mess with the code. There is a loot system to create lootable items and containers on demand, even dropping loot for the player when needed. There's a currency system that lets players collect and build wealth without using up valuable inventory space. The vendor system lets players buy, sell, and trade items. It includes automatic restocking for buyable items and built-in multipliers for buy and sell prices. For advanced users, there's a dynamic data system that lets you add and modify item data at runtime. For example, these loot boxes are all the same item, but they have different dynamic data. That data lets us define things like how many times the item can be used, or which loot table the loot box uses. Everything is fully replicated for multiplayer and designed to be cross-level friendly. It also supports gamepad, as well as includes a simple interaction system and a built-in save system. Setup is quick and usually takes just a few minutes. Just add one component to your player controller and most of the system is ready to go. To make it easier on you, I've also included a setup guide to walk you through installation and getting started. There is also a demo world included, which will show you how everything works, and the web-based documentation is robust, over 200 pages, and available for you to browse right now on my website. For verified customers, I also provide one-on-one support over email and Discord. Whether you're just getting started with Unreal, or you've already shipped a few games, this system is designed to be easy to use and just work out of the box. I've spent over 1,500 hours on this asset. That is time you don't have to spend building out the same thing. Instead, you can plug it into your project and skip straight to making your game fun.
Dino, this is great, but I just bought version 3 of this system yesterday. Do I have to buy this one too?
Since you already own version 3, you'll get access to version 4 absolutely free. In fact, all of my assets come with free upgrades to future versions, so you never have to buy the same system twice. If this looks like a good fit for your project, check out the downloadable demo and full feature list on the Marketplace page. You will find links to everything in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your game.